I'm back with another build video. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jabro. I'm back with some more quarantine content. As you guys can see, I am comfy. I have no haircut, no shape up, no nothing, and we have a computer to build. So if you guys can all do me a favor, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I haven't done like a complete build video in like 4 months at this point with my previous build, which is now my cousin's computer, which this is now my friend's computer that I'm building, and I'm really hyped and excited to get this, out for you guys. So if you guys do enjoy, make sure you guys please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. But without further ado, let's get into the parts. So my friend has about a $1,500 PC build, and I'm telling you, it's going to be perfect. So right now, admittedly, it's probably not the best type of time to build a PC, just with how the market is with the parts and all the things. Like, my friend needed to travel the world to get this power supply. So, all right, into the parts. Let's start with the power supply then. So, Jesus. All right, so if you're lucky enough to find a power supply, right, they might cost you a little bit more if they're not out of stock. So right now, my friend has the ROG Strix 750 watt gold power supply. Should definitely have all the cables that he needs and all the power he needs to power his system. So, to the case, this is a beautiful case right here. The H510 Elite from NZXT has the two front freaking fans, the RGB fans with the glass. Oh, it's beautiful. You guys are definitely going to see the final product. It is going to be amazing. As for this bad boy that keeps falling, we have the Samsung 970 EVO NVMe M.2 drop slot. So 500 gigabytes. He's planning on upgrading to another further SSD to get another 100 gigs. So this right here, the fastest you can probably buy right now. So these any Samsung SSD, whether it be M.2 or just like the standard SSDs, I love them. Like, I have 2 in my system, as you guys already know, and I've had no issues with them whatsoever. So Samsung is very reliable, and over the past year or so that I've had my main one, that's my boot drive and holds a few games, it's been perfect. No issues at all for me. So let's get into the RAM. Right here we have the Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM, DDR4 of course, 3600 rated speed, 16 gigabyte kit right here. So I mean, it's not flashy, but you save money and it's gonna do a perfect job. As you guys know, faster RAM is better benefited. Jesus, why can't I talk? Ryzen benefits from faster RAM. 3 times the charm. So now talking about Ryzen, we have our processor here, the beauty and the beast right here, the Ryzen 3700X 18 core 16 thread processor, an absolute beast. So listen, man, my friend plans on streaming, video gaming, video editing, video gaming while streaming, video editing while gaming and streaming. It's going to be a beast to handle any of his issues. So it has the Wraith Prism cooler, the one with the fancy RGB. So it's definitely going to be enough to hold his cooling needs. We're not going with the dedicated I/O because he's not going to be doing any crazy overclocking or anything. So this will definitely be suitable for anything that he needs to do with his computer. As for I'm not talking about you yet. As for the thing that you put in the CPU, the motherboard. Right? Did I say that right? The motherboard. So we have the X570 Phantom Gaming 4 motherboard, and as you guys know, motherboards are motherboards. I mean, it has this right here. It has the RAM, the M.2 drive, so you could slot it in, as you guys will see later. Just slot it in, and then it's gonna be perfect for what he's gonna do. He's not doing any crazy overclocking or anything, so it's gonna be perfectly fine for what he is. Like I said, guys, it's a motherboard. And finally, the star of the show, the co-star maybe, the GeForce RTX 2070 Super Ventus MSI graphics card, the beauty and the beast part 2 right here. Is going to be an excellent GPU for his game. He plans on gaming in 1440p, 144Hz monitor. He just got it actually today as of making this video, so he's hyped. His setup is almost fully done. He's just waiting on his mouse, so we're going to be lit, guys. I'm happy that I'm getting my friends in the PC Master Race. If you guys have any questions in the comments, please let me know. You know, I'm really excited to get this build done for him. I'm not going to be able to benchmark it because as soon as I'm done, I'm going to just ship it to him, I'm giving it to him, and then I'm going to my mom's crib. I haven't seen my mom in a while, so. But before we get into the build, man, if you guys could do me a favor again, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. You guys show a lot of love, man. We are almost close to 1.4K subs, and if you can get 2K by the end of the summer, I would go crazy. So let's make that happen. Show the love, guys, and let's get into this build. All right, the build is done, I hope. I mean, I did a test boot before I did a few things, but, you know, I always like the anticipation of, you know, booting on the computer for the very first time with everything installed. And hopefully we are gonna, you know, boot up perfectly. Right now, power supply's plugged in. Oh, shit, sorry. I'm gonna turn it on. All right, nothing, which is fine. All right, we have, remember, our Ryzen 3700X right here, our RTX 2070 Super. There goes our M.2 drive, the 970 Samsung Evo, 500 gigabytes in our 510 Elite from NZXT. Enough with the stalling, time for the boot. There we go. There she goes. And then she'll probably shut down. I guess not. Okay, fans are ramping. There we go, cooling down now. We got our front RGB LEDs. The fans usually, you know, Ryzen goes through these like boot cycles, especially for the first time. So it's gonna be a little loud for, you know, for a few times. So see, it quiets down. And then we'd boot into our OS. So that's actually gonna end the video off, guys. Right now, I'm gonna let my friend Andrew do the rest. His computer is beautiful, it is sexy, it is absolutely gonna be a beast. I can't wait to play. We have a lot of things, you know, planned for the future, for more builds in the future for this channel and for the Twitch as well. So I can't talk. I've been streaming a lot on Twitch lately, so make sure you guys do follow that. It's gonna be in the description. I stream every day. But, you know, a lot more content coming for you guys here on the channel. Just stay tuned. You know, every opportunity I get to build a video for you guys know that I want to do it. So make sure you guys do stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment on what you think of this build. How would you do it? What would you want in your own build? What is your dream build? Or what is the build you currently have right now? So please let me know. Turn on channel notifications. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day.